Indian Army, police and paramilitary personnel have launched massive crackdown across the occupied Kashmir in the name of ensuring security on India's Independence Day, the 15th August. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Forces personnel are conducting house raids and cordon and search operations across the occupied territory, subjecting the people to severe harassment. The troops and police have arrested dozens of youth. Federation of Chamber of Industries Kashmir has denounced the defeating silence of the authorities over the harassment and intimidation of entrepreneurs by the Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the FCIK, in a meeting under the chairmanship of Ghulam Mohammad Trambu, decided to observe a symbolic 1-hour peaceful protest inside the industrial estates across the Kashmir Valley tomorrow. Speakers of a seminar have said that the martyred senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Sheikh Abdul Aziz, will always be remembered as a great hero in the Kashmir history. According to Kashmir Media Service, the IIOJK chapter held the seminar in Islamabad today to pay glowing tributes to Sheikh Abdul Aziz on his 15th martyrdom anniversary today. The seminar was presided over by senior IIOJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, while former President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Sardar Yaqub Khan, was the chief guest. A total of 134 of the sitting members of the Indian Parliament and members of the legislative assemblies have cases related to crimes against women, which includes 21 MPs and 113 MLAs. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Bharatiya Janata Party members are facing rape charges, a report released on Thursday. In the report, the Association of Democratic Reforms and National Election Watch said that 762 sitting MPs and 4,001 sitting MLAs have analyzed, in which 134 sitting MPs or MLAs have declared cases related to crimes against women. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter senior leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has paid rich tributes to Sheikh Abdul Aziz on his 15th martyrdom anniversary today. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement in Islamabad, said Sheikh Abdul Aziz stood like a rock for the freedom of Kashmir. Under Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dogmatic rule, targeting of minorities, particularly the Muslims, by the right-wing Hindu extremists is now a way of life in many states of India. According to an article published in a leading American newspaper, vigilante mobs, which often assemble in front of the mosques, regularly assault the Muslims as understaffed and under-equipped, while the police forces fail to intervene. It is read in the New York Times.